welcome to Plaid Metal. I wear plaid, and we listen to metal. Hope you're all doing well today. In today's video, we're checking out a band that I've been falling really hardcore in love with, Brand of Sacrifice, and their new song, Animal. And I am so fucking stoked for this. I have loved the last two songs that they put out with Demon King and Lifeblood, and I'm only expecting it to only just be as heavy, or if not heavier, in this one. So, these guys have really been making me fall in love with deathcore again. I have said that before, so let's just keep this train moving. Choo choo. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and let's get into this video. Alright, here we go. Brand of Sacrifice, Animal. Fuck me up. Holy fuck. That was fucking insane. So that was Brand of Sacrifice, Animal, and holy shit. That was insane. That just has my hype train for this fucking album even more going. Just choo 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 all the fucking way, man. Like, cause that was, not only was it heavy, super fucking heavy breakdown. Again, I've loved all of their breakdowns and the last two songs as well. Like, this has been fan fucking tastic. And I really love like the orchestral and like that background like kind of like chanting, singing kind of shit really added to the song and made it really catchy in that one section that got repeated a lot, like the chorus-ish section. Super fun song. Really enjoyed all of it. I really loved all like the Japanese like sword fighting elements and everything. Like, this was a fantastic song. Great music video as well. Kyle's a fucking absolute demon. There's a song called Demon King for a reason, because he's a fucking demon, because the sounds he makes with his voice are fucking insane. Great song. Super fucking pumped for this album. You guys better be pumped too. So let me know in the comments down below what makes you so excited for this album. Is it just these last singles have been great, or have you been a fan for ever? And let me know what I should react to next. Have a great one. And as always, see you in the next one. Kaboom.